Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fund your Exness account and start trading immediately. Now, if you want to start making money trading the financial market, you want to do Forex, the very first thing you need to do is actually funding your trading account, okay? That is the very first thing you need to do. Now, why you need to do this is because the currency you're going to be pairing that's going to be making you money, you have to buy this currency. So when you trade them, so you make money based on percentage, right? Now, let's say on every trade you take, you are risking like 1% of your capital and also, making a profit of 3%. So now the person that funded his or her account with $1,000 and the person that funded his or her account with $100, their profit are going to be different, right? So you that is making 3% on $100 is going to be about $3. So the person that funded his or her account with $1,000 is going to be making $30 with the same level of trade. So that is why when you want to trade the financial market and you want to make enough money to yourself, so what you want to do is actually funding your account with a good money, right? Like starting from $200 and above, right? So this way you can make enough profit and enjoy your life, right? As the money is coming in, you're still having a profit out there and you're still making enough money to yourself. So that being said, let me show you exactly how to fund your Exness account and start trading right now, okay? All right, now here is my Exness app. So what I'll just do, I'll click on it. Then I'll have to log in. Then once I'm logged in, now this is my interface. Now this is a new account, a test account. There's no any money in here. So what I just want to do is actually clicking on deposit. Okay. Now once I click on deposit, now there are a couple of options here. All right. So I think the best one right now, the one they recommend is actually online bank transfer. Okay, now this is because I'm actually in Nigeria. If you're in Ghana, in Kenya, then you're going to be seeing other options that is actually, recommended in your own country. So what I want to do right now is click on that one. All right, now it's going to ask me a couple of questions. How much do I want to deposit? I'll just enter like 20,000 naira. Now this is just a test to show you how to deposit into your Exness account. Okay, now this 20,000 naira will be around 12.46 USD. All right, so that is how much it is in dollar. Okay, you deposit the money in naira, then the platform will convert it automatically to dollars. It's the same thing if you are withdrawing that money. Okay, it is in dollars. When you withdraw it to your account, it will automatically become naira. Okay, the same thing if you're in Ghana, then it's going to be in Ghana cedis. It will convert it to dollars. So once I've done that, now it's saying that this 20k is too small. All right, so what I want to do is I'll just turn it to like maybe 25,000. That 25,000 is around $15. Okay, now what I will do is I'll click on continue, and it will take me to this place. It will show me the conversion $1 to naira and naira to dollars. Okay, the next thing I'll do is I'll click on confirm. It will take me to a page. I'll click on pay with bank transfer. Now the first rule is transfer only the exact amount. Okay, don't try to cheat the system, else you are going to lose your money. Okay, transfer the exact amount you've put there. That is how much you're going to be transferring. Then do not save or reuse the account they give to you. Once you've read it and you understand everything, you now tick that box that you understand the instructions, right? Then you click on continue. Okay, now the bank account you'll be transferring to is being generated. Okay, now here is the account. Okay, can you see the timer there? So this account expires maybe in an hour. I'll copy that bank account number. All right, so then I'll go into my bank app and transfer 25,000 naira. All right, so now I'm logged in into my account. So what I want to do right now is I'll just click on transfer. So I'll select the bank. The bank is Wema Bank, right? It's Wema Bank. Okay, I'll paste the account number here. Then let's see if the name is going to come out. So this is the name there, right? Cora something. Okay, if we go back now and check it, which is something you should confirm first. Can you see it? KPYNEXN. Let's check if it correspond. Now it corresponds. Okay, it's there, right? So that means it's correct. So the next thing is entering the amount, which is 25,000 naira. Don't put anything crypto or forex or something in the narration. Don't put anything like that, okay? Just click on proceed. Then I'm going to be entering my pin. All right, so the transaction is processing, okay? So now success, I just transferred to the account number they gave to me. So I'll go back to Exness. Here you can see it right now on Exness. The transaction is what is processing. This money is coming here and I'll show you when it has landed, okay? Now you can see it there. It's written done, okay? That means we are done. The money is already there. And let's go and confirm it in our account, okay? I'll just close the history. Now here you see it, okay? $15.54, okay? That's how much we've deposited, okay? So once you have this money directly in your broker account, now you can start trading, okay? Just download MetaTrader 5, which is called MT5, and that is the platform you're going to be trading. So if you are watching this and you are in my Signal group, then you already see, or you've probably have seen a video where I show you exactly how to copy and paste signals and how to use MT5 to trade and start making money like every other person, okay? So I hope you gain a lot from this video. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, all right? See you in my next video.